Hello. Today we learn how to remove a white background from a logo or any object. Here we have a logo with a white background which we want to place on a poster or a banner without the white background. So first we will unlock this layer and make a copy by pressing Ctrl+J. After creating a copy of an original image layer, go to Select and click on Select and Mask. Here a new window will open for making any kind of selection. Now click on Select Object. So Photoshop Artificial Intelligence will automatically select the logo or object. After making a selection, choose New Layer from Output option and you are good to go. Here it has removed the white background. It is simple as that. If you want to add any type of a background, select solid color and choose any type of color for your background. Now bring the logo on the new background to make it visible. So this is how you can remove white background and change the background. It is a basic tutorial and it's work in any cases. Please make sure to leave a like and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.